I'm Anastasia, hand embroidery artist and instructor, the founder of Whynotstitching. I have created an online space for you called the Whynotstitching Academy, where I'm your personal embroidery instructor. The Whynotstitching Academy is an interactive website which has everything you need to create stunning embroidery projects. With embroidery foundations for beginners, more than 30 embroidery projects complete with patterns and video tutorials, a community of fellow makers, embroidery challenges and even giveaways, there is no excuse not to dive into the world of embroidery. Embroidery can be very enjoyable, and I'm here to ensure that your learning journey is nothing but pleasant. From creating basic yet gorgeous projects to learning new techniques and gaining invaluable advice, the Academy provides an all-inclusive environment for anyone who wants to explore embroidery.